most dramatic change has been climate change. Less rainfall has put our precious groundwater resources under threat. Garden bore users, like me, will have to make some adjustments to their gardens to keep them as important habitat havens for wildlife and cool down our neighbourhoods. So here are some simple tips to create a Groundwater Wise garden. Choose native and Mediterranean plants that are suited to our climate. They require less water and cope with heat waves. Hydrozone your garden. Group together different plants with similar water needs on different stations. I have native plants that don't require much water at all, but I have veggie gardens, fruit trees, lawn, and a little spot for the soft, pretty plants. Plant more shade trees. It lowers the evaporation, cools down an area, and allows you more planting options for less hardier plants. And install an efficient reticulation system with a controller programmed for your rostered watering days with at least 5 stations. We can't go back in time, but we can plan for Perth's water future. To learn more about our precious groundwater resources, visit begroundwaterwise.wa.gov.au.